Tired of outdated or incorrect contacts cluttering your aisensy and slowing you down? Let's clean things up. This guide will walk you through deleting contacts in aisensy, step by step, making contact management a breeze. First, log into your aisensy account. Once you're in, look for the Contacts section in the main navigation menu. It's usually located on the left side of the screen. Click on Contacts to access your contact list. To delete a single contact, find the contact you want to remove from your list. Hover over the contact and you should see an options menu. Look for a delete or trash icon. Click this button and a confirmation prompt will appear. A confirmation window will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to delete the contact. Double check the contact's information to make sure it is the correct one. If you are sure, click the delete button to permanently remove the contact from your aisensy. To delete multiple contacts at once, select the check boxes next to each contact you want to remove. Once you've selected all the contacts, look for a bulk actions or delete selected button, usually located at the top or bottom of the contact list. Just like with individual deletion, a confirmation window will appear. Make absolutely certain the selected contacts are the ones you intend to delete, as this action is irreversible. If you're ready, click delete to remove them. And that's it. Now you know how to efficiently delete contacts in aisensy, keeping your contact list clean and accurate. Don't forget to subscribe for more aisensy tips and tricks.